check, so we'll talk about it. Um, I don't know shit about the coronavirus. I've not really watched anything about it, so I'm fucking bored because I have nothing to do. So I figured let's discover the coronavirus together. Well, you guys probably already know about it. I don't know shit. I just know that people are freaking the fuck out and that it will lower my energy field if I watch it. So I'm going to do it in a whole different way to where it doesn't lower anything and I'm still learning at the same time, educating everybody else. Okay, here we go. Let's figure some shit out. See the TV. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, that's fine. What the fuck ever. Let's see. Where's my remote? Okay. Fuck. Damn it. Hang on, fuck. Okay. Let's see. Ask Alexa some stupid shit. Put my medical card up so I don't lose it. Let's see. Wrote a couple of them down. I want to ask her. Let's ask her. Alexa, what is the difference between the flu and the coronavirus?
On December 31, 2019, it was reported that a new coronavirus strain, COVID-19, was identified by Chinese researchers in connection with a pneumonia-like illness based in Wuhan City, China. On March 11, 2020, due to the global spread of the virus, the World Health Organization officially declared it a pandemic. As of March 30th, there are over 738,000 confirmed cases worldwide. For more information, try saying, "Give me an update on the coronavirus." Or, if you would like to donate to Feeding America's COVID-19 relief effort, just say, "Make a donation to the COVID-19 Relief Fund."
About, Alexa, give us an update on the coronavirus.
Here's your story.
As the U.S. records more coronavirus cases than any other nation, patients with the most severe symptoms are being treated in intensive care units. While the number of new cases keeps rising, there are only about 117,000 ICU beds nationwide. A newsy analysis of hospital and population data found that this limited critical care capacity may become a bottleneck, and the effects could be crippling. These are hospital referral regions, geographic areas where people receive critical medical care. An expert at Harvard University estimates coronavirus could infect 20 to 60% of the adult population globally. Watch what might happen if that plays out in the United States. If every region reaches a 20% infection rate over the next 12 months, an estimated 33 million Americans will see their ICUs run out of beds. At 40%, many more regions will have their capacity overwhelmed. These areas are home to 258 million people, or 80% of the U.S. population. With a 60% infection rate, that jumps to 98% of Americans, nearly every person in the country.
So I think that many hospitals in the U.S. have on an annual basis dealt with these types of surge conditions, but I don't think that any of them have really been prepared for the level, the intensity of what this represents today.
That's Dr. David Wallace, a professor at the University of Pittsburgh.
We don't have the spread of intensivist physicians. We don't have a spread of critical care trained nurses, respiratory therapists, pharmacists, all of the components of critical care, those don't exist to equal amounts across the country.
Our analysis found that very rural areas are the most likely to be overwhelmed. These regions would run out of ICU beds with an infection rate of just 26%. And Wallace says People in rural areas don't seem to be much safer from the virus.
Unless someone was, completely isolated, I think that they're still at high risk. Then you superimpose on that the availability of resources in rural areas, and I just can't imagine thinking of it as being a protective effect.
Regardless of location, experts say the best way to help keep our ICUs functioning is to maintain interventions such as social distancing and movement restrictions. But there's already been talk about relaxing restrictions nationally.
Ultimately, the goal is to ease the guidelines and open things up.
Public health experts, including Dr. Wallace, say this would be a mistake.
While there is a real feeling of right now of the pain that's being caused, I think that the worst thing would be to relax these restrictions at this time. I think that the impact on the healthcare system would be overwhelming.
Okay, what else should we ask her? I wrote down a few things. Let's say, Alexa, do you think the government has anything to do with the coronavirus? Can you see me? We'll just do it this way and you can see me and the TV. How's it going? That's awesome. Cool. Right on. Whatever. Alexa, does the government have anything to do with the coronavirus?
On December 31st, 2019, it was reported that a new coronavirus strain, COVID-19, was identified by Chinese researchers in connection with a pneumonia-like illness based in Wuhan City, China. On March 11, 2020, due to the global spread of the virus, the World Health Organization officially declared it a pandemic. As of March 30th, there are over 738,000 confirmed cases worldwide. For more information, try saying, "Give me an update on the coronavirus." Or, if you would like to donate to Feeding America's COVID-19...
Alexa, give me an update on the coronavirus. She likes when I talk like
As
that.
of March 30th, 2020, according to Reuters, China reported a drop in new coronavirus infections for a fourth day as drastic curbs on international travelers reigned in the number of imported cases, while policymakers turned their efforts to healing the world's second-largest economy. For more, just say, "Give me another update on the coronavirus."
Let's do one better. Alexa, can you tell me how many people in the state of Illinois have the coronavirus and where they are located? Maybe that's too much for her. Alexa, can you tell me where the people in Illinois have...
Here's your story.
My bad, bitch. You whatever.
As the U.S.
I don't know
reports
that.
more coronavirus cases than any other nation, patients with the most severe symptoms are being treated in intensive care units. While the number of new cases keeps rising, there are only about 117,000 ICU beds nationwide.
Alexa, can you tell me how many people in the state of Illinois have the coronavirus?
This might answer your question. As of 2017, the population of Illinois is 12.8 million.
I didn't ask you that. Alexa, how many people in Illinois have been diagnosed with the coronavirus? 12.8 million people in
According
Illinois.
to Reuters, as of March 30th, 2020, there have been 5,056 cases confirmed of the novel coronavirus in Illinois. Additionally, there have been 72 deaths confirmed due to the novel coronavirus in Illinois.
Okay. So it looks like a majority of these cases, 3.73 thousand cases, are up at the top of the map. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's where a majority of the motherfuckers are that are sick. Okay. This is the cases over here. Anyways, she's trying to do her own thing, huh? The bitch gonna get back where I'm telling her to go. She don't do shit she ain't supposed to do. Anyways, put y'all back over here. Yep, boom, boom. Put it back in. That piece of shit. There we go, there we go. That's good. Okay, Alexa, can you tell me what the spread of the coronavirus is, even though people are quarantined in the state of Illinois? I mean, that was stupid. Alexa, how many people do you think will still get the corona even though they are quarantined?
I'm not sure.
Sure you're not. Alexa, how many people do you think will be diagnosed with the COVID even though they are I don't even remember because I've been smoking pot. Alexa, let's try again. Alexa, how many people do you think will still get the COVID virus even though they are quarantined?
According to Reuters, as of March 30th, 2020, more than 738,000 cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed worldwide. The countries most affected by the outbreak include the United States, Italy, and Spain. The virus has caused over 35,000 deaths worldwide, with over 155,000 recoveries. For more information, try asking, is the coronavirus in Spain? Or, how many cases of coronavirus are in Iran?
Let's see. Alexa, does the Bible or astrology predict a virus in 2020?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
What does the Bible say about a virus?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
What does astrology predict about a virus coming?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, what is the air pollution rate now that people are in quarantine? Bitch, don't talk now? Alexa, what is the air pollution rate now that people are in quarantine?
Satellite data from China, the first epicenter of the outbreak, and Italy, the second hot spot, have shown big drops in pollution following lockdowns that limited the movement of people and goods and factories' ability to produce stuff. Gizmodo reports that domestically, traffic data out of LA and New York also corresponds with a precipitous drop in air pollution.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. What else can I ask her? I don't have anything else written down. Alexa, has more people died from corona or lived from corona?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Is the death rate higher for corona? I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Bet you're not sure, bitch. What is the survival rate for corona?
According to the World Health Organization, COVID-19 currently has an overall 3.4% fatality rate. However, fatality rates are subject to change across age groups, geographies, and over time. According to Reuters, as of March 30th, 2020, of the roughly 738,000 confirmed cases of the virus, over 35,000 people have died and over 155,000 people have recovered.
So more people have lived. More people have lived from corona. I don't think they're saying that. Is corona attacking people with A blood?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
What is the blood type that is being attacked the most by the coronavirus?
On December 31st, 2019, it was reported that a new coronavirus strain, COVID-19, was identified by Chinese researchers in connection with a pneumonia-like illness based in Wuhan City, China. On March 11, 2020, due to the global spread of the virus, the World Health Organization officially declared it a pandemic. As of March 30th, there are over 738,000 confirmed cases worldwide. For more information, try saying, "Give me an update on the coronavirus." Or, if you would like to donate to Feeding America.
What is the most blood type that the coronavirus is attacking?
On December 31st, 2019, it...
Shut the fuck up. You gonna tell me what the fuck I need to know or not? Is coronavirus attacking more people with A blood type? What is the blood type that is being attacked the most by coronavirus? Bitch, don't talk now. Alexa, what blood type is being attacked most by coronavirus? Uh-huh. Alexa, are you working for the government?
No, I work for Amazon.
Alexa, does Amazon work for the government?
Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon.com is a tech company and an e-commerce platform that works with vendors and customers from all around the world.
That's not what I asked you. Alexa, is Amazon working for the government?
Amazon is not a government agency.
I know Amazon is not a government agency, but are they being controlled by the government?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, is Amazon being controlled by the government?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, stop being a retard. Is Amazon working for the government and being controlled by them?
Amazon is not a government agency.
Alexa, what is the death rate in China versus the United States for COVID?
Might answer your question. As of 2016, the death rate in China was 7 deaths per 1,000 people.
What was the COVID that hit in China? When was it first found? When did COVID first hit China? Alexa, when did COVID first hit China? Bitch, don't talk what? Alexa, when was the first diagnosis of COVID in China?
This might answer your question. March 1st fell on a Sunday 28 days ago.
I didn't ask. Did I ask her about that? No, I didn't. But thank you for telling me that. Alexa, when was the first medical case of COVID discovered?
I don't know that.
Alexa, when did the doctors first diagnose corona?
I think the pork chops are done.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa doesn't seem to know anything. Alexa, do you know anything?
I know about lots of things. Try asking a question.
Alexa, what's my name?
I'm not sure who's speaking, but you're in Gail's account. To teach me to recognize your voice, just say, Alexa, learn my voice.
Alexa, learn my voice.
I'd love to call you by your name. Just go to the settings in your Alexa app and set up a voice profile to teach me your name and your voice. If you've already done this, try asking me what your name is.
Oh well, guess she's done talking for now.